My name's Derek Marshall. I'm from Flemingsburg, Kentucky. I graduated on November 1st of 2022 and I hit the 100K club. So my first job out was a 7-day outage with Floor up in Pennsylvania. I was up there for 7 days, and then 2 days later I went to Gibson Station in Indiana for 3 weeks. I took off about two weeks and I went to North Bend, Ohio. I started in January. We got laid off in April. Came back in July, finished the job, got laid off in September of that job, so we was up there for a good time of this year. And then about 2 weeks later, I went to Trimble County, Kentucky, and did a 3 or 4 week outage, boiler outage with D&Z. My first year out of welding school, I only worked 7 months, and I busted the 100K club. My advice for kids coming out of weld school would be a good worker, good work ethic, get to know people. You don't have to necessarily be the best welder, just a good worker, know people so you can bounce from job to job. With welding, I get a lot of time off, and with my time off, I like to work on my truck, build my truck as best as I can, hang out with my friends, hunt, buy guns. Welding gives you the time and the money to do the things that you love to do in your free time.